Service in Newport has issued a special marine warning for News and Bay Rivers, Pamlico Sound, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Oriental to near the vicinity of Adams Creek, moving east at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include the vicinity of South River, Oriental, the mouth of the News River, and the vicinity of Adams Creek. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.